So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you some of the things that I did when I was chasing a girl that made me end up in her friend zone, that made us just be friends. She didn't like me. So I'm going to tell you some of the things I did. Number one of the things I did is I was too available. Anytime she wants me, I'm always there. For example, in class, they give an assignment. She calls me to do it for her. I'll do it for her. She tells me to get her textbooks. I'll go and get it for her. So the one mistake I made was I was always available for her. So that reduced my value. You understand? I told you that availability reduces value. So I was too available for her. Second thing, I was afraid to tell her my mind. When having some conversation, I can bring out some topics like how was your last relationship? I was too scared to ask her because I don't want to end the relationship with some questions. But funny enough, when I realized my mistake and I took the right step, she was more interested in those topics. So those topics you think she's not interested in, like asking her about her past life, asking her about our relationship, those type of stuff that you think she don't want to say it with you. Ask her those questions. Force her to answer those questions. Make her converse with you. Don't make the mistake of trying to play safe all the time. Trying to play safe with your questions. No. Now, another mistake I made was, the other mistake I made was I had low self-esteem. I was like, I can't get this girl. No, let's just be friends. She's too big for me. She's too big for me. She won't agree to date me. She won't do this. She won't do that. I always see myself as a lesser one. I always see myself being favored if she agrees to date me. So those are the mistakes. Some of the mistakes I made. If I remember some of the mistakes, I'll still tell you. Now my correction. What I did when I found out that I was not doing the things the right way, then I had to switch up. First, I worked on myself in terms of dressing, the way I appeared. I changed from, let me say, from 3/10 to like 8/10 or 7/10 to my own preference. So I started bringing up sweet conversations. I started letting her know that if she leaves, I'm not going to feel anything. I started claiming the man that I am. I made her understand that I'm the man, she's the girl. You understand? So when I played my part well, everything went well. But I didn't date her because I was no longer in love with her. So please, learn from my mistakes. Learn from my mistakes. Don't be available all the time. Don't reply text every time. You should reply but not all time. Learn to balance everything. 3. Tell her your mind. Make yourself presentable. Have high esteem. Low self-esteem kills. Low confidence kills. Spoils things. So be the man, be agile, be bold, be confident. Okay? When I see more observations, I'll make sure I give you. Thank you.